Hey guys, today I am telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. My head is spinning. मेरा सर चकरा रहा है. My head is spinning. मेरा सर चकरा रहा है. शर्ट सीधी पहने. Put on your shirt properly. Put on your shirt properly. तुम्हें तमीज़ नहीं है बात करने की. You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to talk. तुम्हारी जिप खुली है. Your zipper is unzipped. Your zipper is unzipped. अपनी जिप बंद करें. Zip up your zipper. Zip up your zipper. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. आपने जूता गलत पाँव में पहना है. You are wearing the shoe on the wrong foot. You are wearing the shoe on the wrong foot. मैं इसे कभी माफ़ नहीं करूँगा. I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him. जूता उल्टा पड़ा है. The shoe is laying upside down. The shoe is laying upside down. The shoe is laying upside down. आपने दस्ताना गलत हाथ पर पहना है. You are wearing the glove on the wrong hand. You are wearing the glove on the wrong hand. दस्ताना सही हाथ पे पहनो. Wear the glove on the right hand. Wear the glove on the right hand. मुझे आपके साथ नहीं जाना तो नहीं जाना बस. I don't want to go with you. I don't want to go with you. I don't want to go with you. आपने अपनी शर्ट उल्टी पहनी है. You are wearing the shirt inside out. आपने अपनी शर्ट उल्टी पहनी है. You are wearing the shirt inside out. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.